Today we will be testing the MPI indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MPI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 808 indicators, with 328 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the MPI indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so, as you can see, it has components of the parabolic SAR, and I believe also the MACD, if I'm not mistaken. And so, but more importantly, you can see that we have these nice triangles here. Now, the creator of the indicator did say that this indicator does give long signals and short signals, but for some reason whenever I scroll back in here, deja vu from the indicator we tested the other day, maybe yesterday, whenever I scroll back here, there are no short signals. So I see these long signals and I see these black ones that say profit, and so I'm curious as to whether or not these black profit indicators are actually meant to be short signals. If we go into the settings here, you can see that it has the long signal right here in blue with the triangle, but you can see that there is no place for a short signal. There is the profit signal right here, and so that one has me a little bit confused. Maybe it was just a mistake by the creator. Maybe they just mislabeled that particular component of it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this with just the long signals and see what we get out of it. So when we get a blue triangle here with a long label underneath it, then we are going to go long. We might test this with using these as short signals at some point, but let's just go ahead and use these long signals. Let's just pretend that maybe the indicator was only set up for long signals, and let's go ahead and test it just that way for the long signals, and then we can take it from there once we have tested it and we can kind of see what it does on the long signals itself. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal, of course, and you can see that we pretty much immediately start to get a push to the downside. We get a little push to the upside, then straight down from there, and that does come down and hit our stop. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, another signal right here, of course, the long signal, and we get a nice push to the upside here. Pushes up just enough to hit our take profit before it then kind of wicks out, pushes down, and then runs into some consolidation there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, another signal right here, long signal, and we get an immediate push to the upside, which moves up really nicely there. That one definitely getting us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is a free Discord. You're welcome to join and take part of the conversations in most of the channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out. For example, one of our members, Sasquatch here, is an awesome Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and kind of doing analysis of the Forex market in general. A lot of really great information. He puts out a lot of charts and will often put up thought experiments and just kind of teaching lessons, learning lessons, and information for everybody to take advantage of. Some of our other members are also putting up charts where they have done analysis of the Forex market. Our admin Jay is doing charts of the futures market where he is doing analysis as well. Actually, I believe that he has recently got back into Forex as well. And so this is his charts on the Forex market. Another one of our members posting one of his trades there. And so just a lot of great information in here, a wonderful environment. Everybody supports everybody, kind of helps everybody along, and feeds off of everybody's success and momentum. A lot of great advice, and just, like I said, all in all, a great environment. Highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. Okay, so let's get this in focus. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 trades all together, and we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. I was doing really well during this kind of steady uptrend right here. It's not until it hit this steady downtrend right here that it kind of fell to pieces as it was taking just losing trade after losing trade. Wasn't able to catch a directional move out of really any of these downward movements here. And so that's what really just kind of killed it. Now, I'm not so sure if throwing shorts into this here at these black marks are going to make a huge difference. It kind of seems like it might have, could kind of offset these losing trades here, but we're not really sure. So at the moment, this one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.